Imagine being among the first to witness the unveiling of Google's latest masterpiece, the Pixel 10, and experiencing the thrill of discovering its cutting-edge features alongside a community of fellow tech enthusiasts. But here's where it gets exciting. You're invited to join a live watch party where you'll get to see the new phone reveals as they happen and share your reactions with others in real time. Our live show kicks off on Wednesday at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:30 a.m. PT, leading right into the Made by Google event, and will be hosted by an expert team of tech journalists, including Bridget Carey, Abrar Al-Heeti, Akhtar, Patrick Holland, Stephen Beecham, and Mike Sorrentino. With their extensive expertise in consumer technology, mobile devices, and innovative trends, you can expect a lively and informative discussion that will delve into the latest developments and what they mean for you. But what makes this event even more special is the opportunity to engage with our hosts and other viewers, sharing your thoughts and questions about the new Pixel 10 and its potential impact on the tech landscape. And this is the part most people miss: the chance to be part of a larger conversation, where you can learn from others, share your own insights, and get a deeper understanding of the technology that's shaping our world. As we count down to the big reveal, we want to hear from you. What are your expectations from the Pixel 10, and how do you think it will change the smartphone game? Join us tomorrow and be part of this exciting journey as we explore the latest innovations and discoveries in the world of tech. With their combined expertise, our hosts will provide you with a unique perspective on the latest trends and technologies, and help you stay ahead of the curve. So, get ready to geek out with us, and let's dive into the fascinating world of tech together. But here's the question. Are you ready to experience the future of smartphones and be part of the conversation that will shape the tech industry for years to come? Let us know in the comments and join the discussion tomorrow.